Do you remember the first time you put on a set of FPV goggles? That gut punch of adrenaline, the feeling of absolute freedom? That was the Avata. It took FPV flying, the most exhilarating form of flight, and made it accessible to everyone. But accessibility is getting boring. We've mastered the Avata too. We've pushed it to its limits. Now, the market is demanding a giant leap, not a small step. For the past year, deep within the drone community, whispers have been turning into shouts about a machine that breaks every rule set by its predecessors. This is not just the next DJI FPV drone. This is the DJI Avata 3. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. A drone rumored to have the intelligence of the Mavic, the speed of a race drone, and a camera system that will humiliate cinematic drones double its size. I have compiled the most dangerous, the most mind-blowing leaks, and the most compelling predictions about this phantom machine. Stay with me for the full 30 minutes, because the biggest game changers, the price and the secret one-tap acrobatics feature, are buried in the final minutes. If you fly FPV, or plan to, your current gear is about to become a museum piece. The camera catastrophe, sensor size revolution and beyond. Let's cut right to the chase. The biggest limitation of the Avata 1 and 2 has always been the sensor size. They were good, yes, but not great in low light, and they were always limited by dynamic range. The most electrifying leak right now points to the Avata 3 moving to a 1/1.3 inch or even a full 1-inch CMOS sensor. Think about that. A 1-inch sensor, usually reserved for professional fixed-wing cinematic drones, packed into an FPV Cinewhoop. This is not just a rumor. Patent filings for a new gimbal/prop guard integration strongly suggest a dramatically larger lens housing. Why does this matter? It means you get genuinely cinematic results in the golden hour and at dusk. We're talking about native 10-bit D-Log M color profiles that rival the quality of massive cameras. The days of struggling to grade your twilight shots are over. The Avata 3 is rumored to be the first FPV drone that offers true, uncompromising professional cinematic quality out of the box. O3 Plus and beyond. The transmission system that refuses to fail. If you fly FPV, you know the terror of the static cutting just as you nail the perfect gap. The DJI O3 Air unit was brilliant, but the Avata 3 is rumored to debut the new, revolutionary O4 transmission system, or what some insiders are calling O3 Plus on steroids. The key breakthrough here is rumored to be quad-antenna redundancy built directly into the prop guards and frame, allowing for smarter, more stable signal hopping and interference rejection. DJI is reportedly pushing the FCC distance limits, aiming for a stable, rock-solid 15-kilometer range. But range isn't everything. The real magic is in the latency. Sources suggest the Avata 3 is targeting an average latency below 20 milliseconds. This is a terrifying level of responsiveness that blurs the line between a stabilized FPV drone and a purebred racing quad. The image quality feed into the goggles will be so crisp, so lag-free, that it will fundamentally change how aggressively you fly. Battery breakthrough. The 20-minute flight barrier is broken. The biggest pain point for all small FPV drones? Flight time. The Avata series has always been respectable, but never revolutionary.